You know, learning to ride an electric unicycle is like trying to balance on a bar stool while a toddler yanks it out from under you. And yet, here I am, diving headfirst into the world of the InMotion E20, the beginner-friendly, budget-conscious glide machine that promises to have you rolling smoothly in no time. Picture this. Me, standing astride an electric unicycle, yet feeling like a superhero as I glide past onlookers who can't decide whether to be impressed or call an ambulance. It's the E20, a $399 marvel, designed for newbies like myself who'd rather not crash and burn on a high-powered beast like the V13. Now let's get technical for a sec. The E20 has a single 450W hub motor, peaking at 900 watts, with two 14-inch pneumatic tires spaced 55mm apart. This setup, coupled with a proprietary self-balancing algorithm, helps maintain balance. The unicycle has 3 ride modes: beginner 7 km/h, normal 15 km/h, and sport 20 km/h. It's got a 240-watt battery promising up to 30 km per charge and supports riders up to 100 kg. The E20 isn't perfect. It's a hefty 13.5 kg, so when I got cocky and veered off the path, carrying it back felt like a gym workout. Those 14-inch pneumatic tires handled most surfaces well, except grass. Ride? Smooth and intuitive. Lean forward to go, back to stop. It's like a hoverboard, but cooler. Sure, the double tires prefer straight lines. And the RGB lights? They add flair, though they're more for show than visibility. If you're looking to start your electric unicycle adventure, the InMotion E20 is a solid, affordable option. Just remember to check your local regulations and prepare for a few wobble. Happy gliding!